Hey folks, Rob with Oddball ORV. So in this clip, it's going to be a real quick one. We're just going to do a compression test on the engine. We got everything back together and got the radiator plumbed in, got the water-cooled head on, and so we're just going to do a compression test and see what we got. So in my camera here, I got my gauge. You can see it here. We're zeroed out. Make sure there's nothing in there, and we're just going to give it a few cranks and see what we get. Okay, so looking at the camera here, or sorry, the gauge, looks like we're getting just over 130 pounds of compression, which is fantastic. Really happy with that. This is cold, of course. It's going to warm up. We'll get a little more compression when it's hot. Now, contrast that to zero when it was blown. And actually, before I blew it, I was running about 100 pounds of compression. So I'd say that this engine is pretty much back together. In the next clip, I think we'll fire it off and see how she does.